For decades, the tech industry has conditioned us to believe a very specific lie. We were told that true, raw, uncompromised computing power requires mass. We were told that if you want to render complex 3D environments, train local artificial intelligence models, or edit multiple streams of 8K footage, you need a massive, towering desktop machine. You need screaming exhaust fans, a massive power supply that drives up your electricity bill, and a dedicated space under your desk just to house a heavy metal box. We accepted this compromise because we thought it was a law of physics. But Apple just shattered that illusion entirely. The Mac Mini M5 is not just another yearly computer update. It is a profound, almost terrifying paradigm shift that makes traditional desktop towers look like relics of an ancient era. What Apple has managed to compress into a footprint that literally fits in the palm of your hand defies everything we knew about thermal dynamics and silicon architecture. If you think this is just a budget-friendly desktop for casual users, you are completely missing the disruption that is currently unfolding. This machine changes the economics of professional work forever. In this video, we are going to break down the exact hidden engineering secrets that make this silent little beast the most dangerous computer on the planet. To truly understand the weight of what Apple has achieved here, we have to look at the massive architectural war happening behind closed doors. Traditional computers rely on a divided ecosystem. You have a processor from one company, a graphics card from another, and memory sticks from a third party, all connected across a physical motherboard with channels that create microscopic delays. Every single time your computer tries to think, data has to travel across these physical roads, creating heat, wasting energy, and introducing latency. Apple looked at this old way of doing things and realized it was fundamentally broken. With the M5 chip inside this new Mac Mini, they have perfected the concept of unified memory architecture to an extreme degree. The processor, the graphics cores, and the system memory are not separate entities talking to each other across a distance. They are baked onto the exact same piece of silicon, sharing a single massive pool of ultra-fast bandwidth. When the M5 chip requires data, it doesn't wait. The graphics processor and the central processor look at the exact same memory pool at the exact same time, completely eliminating the need to copy data back and forth. This single design choice cuts through processing bottlenecks like a hot knife through butter, allowing a machine that sips less power than a standard household light bulb to outperform massive computers that require dedicated power cables. But the real magic of the M5 architecture isn't just speed. It is efficiency at a microscopic scale, built on a cutting-edge fabrication process. The density of transistors inside this tiny square of silicon is hard for the human brain to fully comprehend. We are talking about billions of microscopic switches packed into a space smaller than a postage stamp. When you scale down to this level, electrons behave differently, and managing how power moves through the chip becomes an elite art form. Apple's engineers designed specialized, dedicated cores for specific tasks. Instead of forcing a general processor to handle heavy video encoding or complex cryptographic calculations, the M5 features dedicated hardware engines that do one job with absolute perfection. There is a specific engine just for processing video formats, another for handling complex image data, and an